Hello guys, welcome to AR Tutorials. Today is day 19 of solving NEET code questions daily. Friends, as you all know that we'll be continuing our array series today also, and today we'll be taking the example of array leaders. Friends, what are array leaders? Array leaders are nothing but just the numbers whose right hand side all elements are smaller than itself. What do you mean? Just I'll let you know that if my number is 17, so whatever number comes after 17 or at the right hand side of 17 should be lesser than itself. What is the if I am standing at 16, if I check at my right side, there is 17 number which is greater than 16, so this can't be a leader. So but vice versa, when we stand up upon 17 and if we check the right hand side, we'll come to know that there are no there is none of the element which is greater than the 17. So 17 would consider to be as a array leader. So how many leaders could be there? Possibly there could be many leaders, but for a fact we could understand that always the last element of the array is considered to be a leader, because there is uh, no one after it. So there is at least one leader in the array, that is the last element, and maximum there could be n leaders. So very easily we can solve this question. Just we have to check the right half. So I think you have got the idea of array leaders. So I think we should directly move towards the code instead of any explanation. If you have any doubt about that, please comment your doubt. I'll solve it. Just first what we have to do, we have to make a variable m minus 1, because we are just comparing there. So what we are going to do, we have given max. As I have told you, the nth element will always be a max element. So n minus 1, that is the max, so we'll just put it in the max. We have to return a vector. So what we have to do, I have created a result vector and I have pushed the max in there. We'll check if the n, that is whatever our number, is not equal to 0, and if our right hand side, we'll check just I n minus 1, whatever n minus 1 would be, their numbers are is greater than or equal to. If it is great, we'll just replace it with that number and just push it in that result vector, and we'll reduce our index value n. And if not, we'll just reduce it and we'll complete our loop. After loop, we'll just reverse our whatever our array was there, because we'll have smaller to greater values, but we want greater to smaller values, so we'll reverse it and we'll return the all array. So this is it for this. We Very easy steps, nothing much about this. With n complexity we have solved this, and with only n space complexity, it is very easy to solve this question, and we have achieved all the success. Okay, so thank you guys. Today's video would be a little short because I'm not feeling well today. From tomorrow I will be continuing with great medium level questions of GFGs or NEET code. Please stay tuned. Thank you.